everybody.
Hello, we are on our third day here. Second day we did nothing. We stayed inside because it was raining. So today we're at the Maemi Fortress. What's the history of this?
So Maemi was a big typhoon in 2003, and I even remember the name of the typhoon because it was so big. And even here in Geoje, it took a lot of farmers' crops, and then it hit the peninsula so bad. So one farmer living in Geoje started building on his own using those like little rocks from the beach. Started off like one by one leveling, and it became the whole fortress now. So it seems like it has been 20 years here, and it's now like a hot spot in Geoje. So yeah, we just came here on Sunday afternoon. There are a lot of people here.
So this place is really popular to take pictures of yourself by the seashore.
It's pretty amazing that one person could build such a big castle. Maybe neighborhood help them.
Maybe neighborhood.
It is pretty big. It's amazing.
So a while ago we watched this video about on Instagram. It was like, oh, who do you trust taking your photo? Do you remember that one? Asians, yeah. And we just asked for a random woman to take our photo, and she took amazing photos. Here they are.
So it looks like they're still building it. It's an ongoing process.
Oh.
A lot of effort, a lot of time.
Oh.
Can you say Mongdol?
Mongdol?
Round rock.
No.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Oh. We need to find something specifically Geoje. Silkworms?
Games on?
Yeah.
Pikachu? We need some angle to grab. Let's go, it's too hot in here. Oh. We just got our photo booth done. Are we cute? We're cute. We're cute. Oh, sorry.
Oh, too hot.
Too hot.
Hot damn.
Hot damn. Wow. So we just came into Cafe Discovery, which has an amazing view. Nice weather. Beautiful hot spring. Okay, our next destination now is Maengjong 테마파크.
A bamboo theme park in Geoje. It's about a 14-minute drive away from the castle that we were at. And now we're here. We're gonna go and see what our life as a bamboo tree would be. We're on the secret hunt for Geoje souvenirs, none of them have been so good so far.
So I've noticed there are bamboo shoots everywhere. Of course it's natural, it's because we're in the bamboo forest. But there is a word in Korean called 우후죽순. Can you say it?
우후죽순?
우후죽순. 죽순 is a bamboo shoot. 우후죽순 means it's everywhere. Just not bamboo shoot in general speaking. Like when you're saying, oh, something's everywhere, and you can just say 우후죽순. I think so.
Soup. Bamboo forest.
기누대수?
네.
잘했어.
In the Three Kingdoms area of China, there was a man whose mother wanted bamboo in the middle of winter. To do what with, I had no clue. But it was winter and it was too cold, so he went outside, and as seen in this diagram right here, he cried his little eyes out, and he prayed to the thing, and all of a sudden this bamboo came to be, and now we're standing in a forest of his tears.
Of course, we're not going up. Let's go to a small pond. Let's see if they have any turtles or koi fish. Or loach.
Loach? Kikori?
They have frogs. Tadpoles! Oh my god, so cute! Okay, question. Tadpoles grow their hind legs first. True or false?
False. They grow them last, right?
Okay, you have to learn the Korean kid song. So in this cave, little cave, you can see the roots of the bamboos. Do you see anything?
아니요.
It's too dark.
Too dark. 안 보여.
안 보여? Maybe it's supposed to be around the cave.
What?
Ah, like this.
Full root.
That's pretty cool. I didn't know even the root of the bamboo looks like this. It's quite the hike. Alright, so you have to take off your shoes. I took off my shoes and socks. And he did too. So here is the bamboo massage trail. Oh. So it is quite a thing in Korea where there's a trail with the rocks, round rocks, where you can massage your feet barefoot. And it's less rocky, less massagey, but it's nice. Feels good. Oh wow! So at the end of this trail, there is a snack shack.
Shack. Shack.
Let's see what they have. We have hot ramen, ice cream, Korean pancake, makgeolli, noodles, eggs and stuff. So adults can do it too. Are you interested in it?
No.
No? Have you done anything like this before?
I have. When I was in 5th grade, I did this.
Really?
Prescott Friendly Pines, a summer camp in Arizona.
Looks fun. So zipline 50,000. 조심.
Ta-da!
Yay! Good job. That was a fun trail.
That was fun. Now we're off to. You had the car for the day. You could drive into the.
We came to Princess Cliff.
You have tteokbokki, ramen,
Side dish.